A quick and easy room transformation with our shaker style mouldings. Today I'm going to create a truly stunning wall effect, and if you follow these simple steps you'll have it done in no time. It's the perfect weekend project. These are the tools you'll need for the job. Firstly, grab a piece of paper and sketch out the number of panels you want on your wall, and remember, you can design it to have either square or rectangular panels. Our example here shows 7x3 panels. Then you'll need to fit 2 horizontal strips, one along the bottom of your wall and one at the top of where your moulding will end, if your design doesn't run up to the ceiling. Cut and fit 2 vertical strips to the left and right sides so that your wall area is framed. Measure the distance between the centre of the 2 vertical strips left and right side, then divide this length by the number of vertical panels you have chosen to have. Mark along your wall from the centre of your left hand vertical panel and repeat all the way along. Check that each measurement is the same so you know your panels will be spaced equally. It's worth marking along both top and bottom strips. It'll help when fitting the panels to ensure they are parallel. It's now time to fit the vertical strips, so cut them to the correct length so they sit snugly inside the frame you've fitted. Mark the centre point of the vertical strips at both ends. Fit to the marks you measured along the top and the bottom. We now need to do the same thing with the horizontal panels, so measure the distance between the centre of the 2 horizontal strips top and bottom. Divide this by the number of horizontal panels in your design. Mark down from the top to bottom, ensuring all spaces are equal. Next, measure, cut and fit the horizontal strips. As before, mark centre point of horizontal strips at both ends. Fit to the marks. To finish the job off, you can always cap it off with a piece of strip wood. Now you're ready to fill and sand any small holes and you're ready to paint. Don't be afraid to experiment with bold feature wall colours to really show off your newly panelled wall.